Need a professional website for your marketing agency? In this video, I'll show you how to create a modern agency website in Sustain.io that showcases your services and helps you generate more client leads. Step 1. Log into your Sustain.io account and click Websites. Click Create Website, enter a name such as Marketing Agency Website. Choose a template and click Create. Open the home page and click Edit Page to start customizing your site. Step 2. Update the Hero section with your agency branding. Add your agency logo and a headline like, "We help businesses grow with digital marketing," or "Get more leads and sales with proven marketing strategies." Add a short description explaining what your agency does and who you help. Step 3. Now build the main sections of your website. Add an About Us section, a services section listing SEO, Google Ads, Facebook ads, web design, social media marketing or email marketing, a portfolio or case study section, client testimonials, a clear book a free strategy call button. These sections help visitors understand your expertise and build trust. Step 4. Create a contact section. Add a contact form asking for name, email, phone number, business name, project details. If you use a scheduling tool, add a book a consultation button so prospects can schedule a meeting directly from your website. Step 5. Preview your website on both desktop and mobile devices. Test the contact form, navigation menu, and buttons to make sure everything works correctly before publishing. CTA. And that's it. You've created a professional marketing agency website in Sustain.io.